Hi, everybody. I'm Dave Moses. Welcome to a new episode of A Writer's Guide to Reading Minds. Sorry I had to take a week or two off there. I had a sore foot. That's the lamest excuse ever. But I want to thank you for joining us. I know traditionally the show concerns itself with words and writing and books and that sort of thing. But today we go into that mysterious area, that connection between words and numbers. And I've got on my special shirt, my tie, so you know this means business. I'm talking about show business. So join us and we'll see you on the other side. What? Hi everybody, it's me, Dave Moses. Hello! And welcome to a new episode, at last, of A Writer's Guide to Reading Minds. With me today, my very special guest, Vice President of Business Affairs, so he's an important guy, a producer, Tex Antonucci. Hi, Mom. Some people say that there are number people and word people. What do you feel?
I think it's different parts of the brain.
Mm-hmm.
So, whichever is more active for certain individuals, it can be swayed to more to one side than the other.
Now, would you describe yourself as a wordy person or a number person? Because meeting you, like the first time I met you, I didn't go, oh, here comes the numbers guy. You know?
I think I'm probably balanced on a certain level.
Yeah.
Where I can trigger each side of the brain.
That's right. With the proper stimulus, one side is triggered. Well, that's good. I think that's going to help us today because I have created a special experiment for Tex. I have here this little package, and in this package is a mix of words and numbers. We'll start with the words because I'm hoping that they're going to affect the number side of your brain. This is a crazy experiment. Do not try this at home. But you can tell that this is a real scientific experiment because there's a question mark there on the card. The question mark, the most mysterious of all punctuation marks, second only to the umlaut. And on this card is a number of words. And I'm going to put some music over as I'm saying it so that, again, so nobody is sort of unduly affected by the words that I'm about to share. And then as I say those words to you, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers and a couple of cards here. And I'm going to flash you these numbers. Now, as I go through them, I don't want you to look directly at them. I don't want you to feel that you have to memorize them or even sort of like go, oh, I've got to take them all in. They're just going to, again, that idea of just allow them to just wash over you as you concentrate on the words that I'm saying.
Okay, so I'll just stay looking at you.
Exactly. Mr. Music, please. Back. Anything interesting go through your brain as I said those words?
Not really.
Perfect. But what I'm going to write down a couple a word now, and I want you in your mind, just again, it doesn't matter if you remember the words or not, but let the words and the numbers, let's say between 1 and 9, just pop through your head sort of simultaneously. Mix them up if you want to. Don't put them in any particular order. And I'm going to write down a word here. Did you see any pattern in the no, nothing?
No,
okay.
not really.
This keeps getting better and better. What we're going to do is we're going to create a number. Not we, you are going to create a number.
Sure.
I want you to think of a number, create a number between 100,000 and 200,000. And it's going to have all, lots of numbers in it. in lots of different orders, but it's going to be your decision, the order that they're going to they're going to come in, except for one, which is my number, which is, because it's between 100 and 200,000, the first number we know is going to be 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I want you to go as quickly as you like
Sure.
through this.
Okay.
We're going to need 5 more numbers. Here we go.
5,
5,
6,
6,
3,
3. There was a hesitation there. That's okay.
2,
2,
9.
9. You're happy with that? Do you want to change the order? I'm sincerely telling you this, that you can change any of these numbers, any order right now. And I'm being very sincere.
Yeah, let's
Okay, which one?
let's swap it.
What do you want to change? Which number do you want to change?
Sure, let's shake it up a bit. Let's do 5 and 6. Swap those.
Oh, okay. So 1, 6, 5. Is that correct? Again, I don't want to put
Yeah.
numbers in your mouth.
Yeah.
So
No.
1, 6. We're going to make that clear for everybody here watching. 1, 6, 5, 3. Just so that everybody is okay with that. Okay, and you're happy with that? You anything else you want to change?
No,
before we go?
I'm quite happy with that.
Okay, because it's going to be later on, this is an old saw, but later on, when you go home, you're going to go, what if I just changed one other number? But you're happy with this?
Yeah.
Okay, and when I say, but you're happy with this, I'm not saying, but really don't change.
I felt like you didn't want me to change, and so I changed them because I think it would be fun to mess this up on
The
camera.
double reverse psychology. How exciting. Okay, so, I do have a little surprise for Tex here, because on the other side of this number is a word that I wrote secretly. That word is budget. Budget. The reason I did it secretly was because I didn't want you to, when you have a producer have a chance at a budget, the number, my guess, would be a little closer to the 199,999, I think, if that was the case. Maybe not. No, you go, no. Whatever the project needs, that's what I'm happy to give. Okay, here we have another word, which is raised. Now, I'm going to show you this before we start. Raised. Now, this is,
Well, your
again,
budget number is what you raised.
what you raised. So,
Yeah.
you've got a calculator out
I do.
here. Now, again, for the folks at home, I want to make sure that this is a calculator that I didn't bring it with me.
No.
This is your calculator.
This
I didn't go near it with a little machine or a screwdriver to mess with it or anything
No, I
like
wouldn't
that.
let
This is
you
your,
near.
you wouldn't let.
No.
Yes.
Yeah. No.
A producer's calculator is sacred.
Straight off my desk.
All right.
Here
So
it is.
we flash these numbers to Tex, and what I want us to imagine, just for fun, is that these came from different funding sources.
Sure.
All right. So here we go, and then we can add them all up into the calculator.
Okay.
All right. Here we have it. 43,211. Where did we get that one from, Tex?
Probably that could be a license fee.
License fee, excellent. 21,377. Maybe that was a tax credit.
Yeah, could be tax credits.
All right. Oh, 14,120 producer deferment. I think
Sure.
that's got to be.
Sure.
All
It's
right.
usually a little higher than that.
Oh. 32,403. Okay, maybe that's our second window.
Sure.
And finally, 54,218. 54,218.
International sale?
Oh, I like it. You changed your mind at one point.
Yeah, well, I just completely chose random numbers.
Okay. My question is, did he? Did he? Right now, we have a total which is
Wow.
165,000.
329.
Let's write that down. 165.
329.
329. 165,329 that we raised. And our budget, which the producer here came up with, was 165,329.
That's legit.
Now that is the kind of producer you want to have on your team.
Nice
All
job,
right.
sir.
No, you're the one with the special gift. Yeah, you need a village.
How did you do that?
I was going to ask you the exact same question, Tex. Wow, incredible! Thanks for joining us. That was fun. We'll have to do it again.
Yeah, well, I'm around. Just
Okay.
let me know.
We'll see you next time for A Writer's Guide to Reading Minds. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Well, there we go. Another episode of A Writer's Guide to Reading Minds. A big thank you to Tex Antonucci. Thanks for your time and your brain. I think that was a lot of fun. I also want to thank the folks over at Lark who allowed us to use their boardroom for that little demonstration. And for you, for watching, thank you. And for subscribing, thank you. And for sharing and for commenting below, thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.